So time check guys, 5:20 in the morning. Nanami diri kang support sa speedboat kay mamalik nami sa Bululuy. Ginaload na nila ang bag. So, it's very early in the morning.
They were taking the speedboat and she was like
And they said that.
telling me, oh,
We're leaving now. Time check. It's 5:56 in the morning.
gawa sa loob na eh. Hindi gani ko masakay roller coaster no. Grabe oh. Grabe din ko maka-experience ang grabe balon.
After 1 hour, we're back here in Bululuyan. Diyan na yung mga kasama ko. Welcome back! Nabasa. Oy, basa oy.